Nobody care anyway.
Fight! Time to die! Beast! Poison! No spider. Get away! Fighting. Harvest in peace. Suffer in hell. If it's still online. Let's up this crap. Bullshit. Let's continue. Whoa.
Enough of your prattle. Finish me, that I may join my father.
You do not deserve death by an emperor's hand.
Cheers up,
Instead, I give the
motherfucker.
honor to my worthy first minister.
What's wrong with you guys? You having a dinner or something coming up? Oh yeah, something to have. Cool up action. My fighter's not working somehow. Just somehow, yeah.
The rebellion is over.
Well, thanks for that. I know I'll never meet you again.
Fighter stinks.
With your leave, we're gonna head back to Earthrealm. Put the amulet
You
back
should
where it
do
belongs.
Earthlim.
What the hell are you doing?
We have a fucking
Earthrealm cannot be
festival, you
trusted
know.
to protect the amulet. It will
So
remain.
we love to have companions in
Accords
here
require
to
The
that you...
accords no longer
kind
concern
of
me,
special order
but you may prove useful when Raiden
to
comes for
feed
us.
my tummy. Feed festival. Sorry. Okay,
The amulet
release
is in
that.
Japan's possession.
You can retrieve it.
He trusts no one else to transport it.
Keeping you close to the Outworld throne these many years has proven most fortuitous, Devora. They never suspected one of their own to be a disciple of our Lord.
PsN lives to serve.
Welcome back to Mortal Kombat.
You
Can't
done
conquer
well.
actually the 150.
Now bring it to me.
Without delay,
Mortal
Anji.
Kombat 10, I mean. My cigarettes are stinking, and I'm out of beer. We need to ride.
Shinnok will
Go
soon
to Earth realms and beat them up, these asses. Destroy all. We need to carry gold. We need to carry gold. La 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 la. I think we dying. We are in pain. Oh shit, we're down. Crap.
Problem?
Two problems.
Oh, this is Joseph, man. What the fuck is wrong with you? Is it because you're a little tight or something on your money? Back? Are you fucking kidding me? That's just carrying around? Just for fun? Oh gosh, you're so sick and stupid as shit. Need more oil in here. God, this is rusty. I can't believe this shit. Oh, crap.
Your wife told me I'd find you in here.
Somebody's talking to me.
You and Vera have a nice chat?
Always. Is that a national?
Hey, that
seen
smells,
one this-
you know?
Come here to discuss farm implements.
All right. I'll cut to the chase. I need your help.
My help?
I know. I don't have
Hey,
any right
motherfucker.
You
to.
knew what I wanted.
Jackie volunteered. She came to me.
Oh.
I know.
Listen.
Oh.
I get
It's
why
good
you
to
didn't
know.
want Jackie joining SF. Why you retired. I mean,
I don't know.
if I had to live with memories of being one of
I
Quan
think
Chi's
he's good at talking, man.
I would have eaten a gun.
Somebody
a long
talking to
time
me or something that's going on in here? Hello,
Well,
mind.
you know Vera. She never would have allowed that. So what is
A
it?
little bit
you need
much
help
over
with?
in here or
The
something.
Outworld refugees?
Worse. Shinnok's amulet. Melina has it.
Damn.
And
How
we've
does she
gotten
know
word from
about
Serena
that?
Quan Chi
It's just
has
stone, right?
resurfaced in the nether
What the
realm.
fuck? What's that from?
Shows
2
his
seconds
face
ago or
for
something?
25 years.
Or
Just
2 months
Shinnok's
ago?
amulet is in place. Exactly.
This is so bullshit, this game.
Coincidence.
That's why I need you. Your Quan Chi expertise.
We don't need you, man. Everything's good.
We wouldn't reactivate your commission.
I'm an old
You'd
fart,
be
you
an
know what I'm
observer.
saying? And, oh god, that farts!
Cage. Jax.
What is
Fucker.
Just
Fucker!
wanted to see if
You
maybe
could help close the cell?
That fucker
Yeah,
again.
because that worked out so well last time.
can't blame a guy for trying.
We need you, Jax. Help me capture Quan Chi. None of us is safe if he gets near that amulet.
Next time you bring something else sausage with for some. Alright. Oh god!
Outworld. With Cassie's team recovering the amulet.
That's something else.
We'll be fine. We expect
Yeah,
mission
your
accomplished.
face will be fine after all. You fucker!
Somebody missing his toilet paper. Something's going on. Oh gosh.
So what you
Oh,
guys
you
think?
really shit yourself.
They gonna kill us?
What?
They would have done it by now.
Unless
Meditating
Cole Khan's
shit.
planning on having us as guests at the Coliseum.
Hey!
Well, if they
The
don't
shit's
kill us, my
already
mother
smelling
will.
to the moon, goddamn!
Me, at least.
Tough being the general's daughter.
You have no idea.
I do. My great whatever grandfather took down Shang Tsung. Saved
excuse me.
Earthrealm.
Grand.
How often do you think that comes up at family gatherings?
That was 600 years ago.
And yet, you'd think it happened yesterday.
Shitting myself and solving on my
I spent
sauerkraut.
all my life.
Ass.
Can fight my way out of nearly anything,
Smelling everywhere.
but I still feel like a second-rate cage.
At least you grew up with people expecting things from you.
I thought you and your dad were best friends.
Now, he was a no-show for a long time.
I can relate.
What was that like growing up? Having an ex-revenant father?
Jen,
No, I'm asking. Couldn't have
Just
been
to
easy.
the hell.
He was just a bit overprotective. When I joined SF, Mr. Cage insisted on being the one to tell my dad. He thought it'd go smoother.
I'll never forget that
Guys,
day.
it's worse.
My dad came home with a broken jaw.
Good morning, it's time for fishing.
What exactly?
trust me.
Away from the bars.
I'm fishing. I am your master.
How'd you do that?
I overloaded his senses. It only works at short range.
Being the son of a telepath has its perks.
I didn't used to think so.
Ryzen Akashi. 5 years ago. Dummy mother tucker, your father, you're. Come over here. Get over! Shitness! I am in rage! Oh, holy shit! Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Yield.
Good morning.
Well done. You are now Chujin.
And you're a lost bard.
Now that I'm Chujin, how will I serve the clan?
Your future does not lie with the Shirai Ryu.
But the clan's my family.
When I took you in, I promised your father...
I don't have a father.
Yes, you do. One who's proud of you.
What the hell?
Chujin in record time.
You knew he was coming? You said nothing?
Knowing this would be your reaction, yes. Takeda, your father is not your enemy.
10 years. No visits. Nothing. You abandoned me.
I did not abandon you.
I was 8. My mother had just died. Now you come back? Think you can jump right in as a proud dad?
Son,
To hell with you. I am not your son.
Good night. The shit.
Get up.
Can handle my
I want to
pain,
knock you down.
but I can handle my family, you fucker. Fucker!
Takeda, cease! Kenshi did not abandon you. He brought you here for your protection.
Protection from what?
From those who murdered your mother.
She died in an accident.
That
You're so
is the
blind
story
face.
I asked Master Hasashi to tell you. But in truth, your mother was killed by Red Dragon assassins. I was the target.
If I'm watching
So
your
she
eyes,
was the victim.
think you're blinded or something.
Son of a bitch! It was your fault!
Your father has devoted his life to fighting animals like the Red Dragon. It is they who are without honor.
Okay. Fuck!
You shouldn't have hidden the truth.
No.
You would have gone after your mother's
Bring
killers
power to you.
unprepared. I could not risk that.
Fucker.
Master Hasashi has perfected your fighting skills. Now it is time
Yeah,
to complete
you're
your
good.
training.
How did you do that?
We are telepaths, a family gift.
I can read minds?
Yep.
Through training, we will determine your full abilities. And then we will hunt down the Red Dragon. Together.
I'm definitely on. Yeah. Oh, sorry.
This is Devora's work.
No argument there. Only she could create wounds like these.
The Devora's full of surprises.
Question is she working with anyone else? What is it?
Damn, he's made us.
Okay, guys, standard diamond formation. Takeda, you're on point. Jackie, bring up the rear. Kung Jin, air cover.
You got it.
The Earthrealmers. Devora freed them.
On this guy. Alright. We playing this game now, aren't we? Quick time event. Ejay. Shala on the Kage. You son of a bitch! Definitely dead. Your mother stinks. Oh, what the hell? Ah, yeah, of course. Oh, come on. Really trying to get the old mother. What the f- I tried to reach her.
1 down, 2 to go.
This is not fair. Ah, fuck this game. Whatever. Fuck.
When we get back, you're teaching me that.
Deal. Go help with Ermac. I got this.
Think you can handle me alone? You're either brave or foolish.
Stuffer. What's this crap top bad man? You just shit. So L2 flip stands. What's these R2 doing? Interacting shit, okay.
Gun is the best of best. Smell the gunpowder. little too late.
Oh, come on. I try all the times to do that. You piece of shit. Okay, I give up with this shit. No trophy for me. And the downstairs church. Ugh. Of course we do.
You're either brave or foolish.
Mother. There's a bloater.
Smell the gunpowder.
I'm so done with this shit.
Stop if you pay me.
Trying to get these bloater, Mom. It's so fucking unreasonable. Yeah, you get that. I'm not. Okay, restart. This is so fucking crap, man. We can't do restart. Die. Okay, let's just die. Crap game. Yeah, of course, second time in one fight. I can't even reach that. I don't know even what kind of a button I have to press. You son of a bitch. It's just so unfair. I tried! I tried! I tried to grapple. Nothing. All right. I'm really give up. This game sucks, man. What the fuck? I tried out to find out, but I don't know how to do. Oh fuck this shit game. Let's lose then. I can't even do the super motherfucking move in here. Yeah. But pressing all buttons. But pressing all buttons at the same time.
Shall we try that again?
Hey, come on, this is bullshit, man. I give up.
You're either brave or foolish.
I try to press, it doesn't matter. They show up, I can't do. What kind of a button I have to press for that? This game is the lousiest ever I saw. Yeah, some kind. You wanna interact for what? Where's the R2 blocking? L2 flip stance. Interact is R1, R1. Yeah, R1. No. No! I said. I'm done. I'm so done with it. I'm pressing X for default. It does nothing. Oh my gosh. I'm not sure anymore what I'm doing in here. Can I still do this? And pressing L1 and What a shit game. I don't know what I'm doing in here. Yeah, whatever.
Challenge would be nice. You kind of suck, dude.
I'm trying to do this! Hey, this is not working. I need to actually get some trophy list or something watching from the stupid American or something out. It's not working, you know, it's not working. Get over. Get off. Yeah, thank you very much. Just randomized crap, man. It's just randomized crap. Yeah, here we go. I have a chance. But no. Fuck off, man. I'm pissed. I'm seriously pissed off. Do whatever you want.
Outworld can keep you.
Hey, I'm pressing all the buttons. I can't do my special. Okay, this game sucks. It's just randomized crap. PC wants. Always the AI wants anyway. So it doesn't matter. It's just if you're trying to press all the buttons and trying to do pressing all the buttons, you don't know what's going on in here, or the R3 and L3. You don't know what's going on in here. The PC wins all the time, so there's no special super button in here. This game sucks, man. I have a full fucking bar and I can't get it off. I don't know how to do this or dealing this. It's bullshit. So I'm done with this game. It's a shit game as shit. I have a full bar and I can't get it away in here. So, okay, fuck me off because I don't know about this one. I'm dead. I'm done. I'm so done with this game, and this live stream is actually dead. I will delete it. Fuck this shit. Always on the opposite side, the fucking bloater is coming up. And I have no chance to do it. That was a full bar of action. I couldn't actually do something on. How is this working, man? This Mortal Kombat is awesome, but the movement, the shit, is a piece of crap, man. It's just a piece of crap. Oh, I couldn't reach. Fuck off. Where is it? Let me know. Yeah, of course. This is so bullshit, man. Yeah, I did. Everybody saw that. It's not working. Okay, I'm going to Google. I'm Googling it. I'm trying to Google it. Oh my gosh. I'm so done with this fucking shit gay game. Mortal crap game. Mortal. What's it calling? I can't remember anymore. Bot or something. 10. Grabbing bloater or something. Bloater. Here we go. Yeah. How to do you the block and throw grab? Yeah, that game is a piece of shit, I know. It's crazy good and the fucking, you know, graphic better than Mortal Kombat 12 or something, or 1. I'm playing this in 7 years. I can't actually have fun with it. I get thrown all the time while I'm blocking. It's incredibly annoying. Please help. And then you get to figure out how to choose to do that. Exactly, man. You can't block those, but you can't break them. So you are 1, 2, 3, believe you're dead. You also can learn avoid. Oh, shut up, man. Okay, that's it. I thought my English is bad, but I'm German. Oh, hello, what the fuck? I found that one. I got choked. Mashing 3 goddamn. Oh, fuck off, man. You can't block grabs. You blah blah blah. Hey, there's no solution and no answer. Fucking Reddit. Fuck that shit site anyway, Reddit. It's a piece of shit, man. A site for people that are actually young and nonsensely actually gets fucking fished off. Fishy fishy. Breaking crap in the game. It's so bad. Fucking crap, man. How to counter grab? This is not what I'm actually asked for. Oh my god. Let's say grabbing bloater. Okay, what should I do? Okay, I'm going to the German side actually with a trophy. This is so bullshit what they're talking over the internet. They are stupid retarded as crap, man. These fuckers. think I never played actually games or something before. Making trophies and then blah blah blah, you know. See the professional Germans, because they are worth to watch. Motherfucking Americans. Actually, all of the world. They're just piece of shit. Prove me you better. So we are on combat. There we go, Mortal Kombat X. Because that's the real, man. Oh, they already don't like it. Fight, final secret fight. Let's see. Okay. Oh man, need to smoke my cigarette. What is it anyway calling? Yeah, I know actually there's something you need to do. Where's that trophy? Man, there's so many trophies in here. Mann, ich muss echt scheißen, Alter. Variante, verprügelt jemand mit der alten Dame im Level. Okay, all that. Mit der Leiche, oder? Alter, gibt's die Trophäe überhaupt hier in dem Spiel? Ich kann mich sehr genau erinnern, da gibt's was davon. Habe ich schon. Okay. Ich finde sie trotzdem nicht, die Pussy. Oder ich muss jetzt gleich scheißen, Alter. Ich glaube, ich scheiß mir gleich ein. Alter, wo ist diese dämliche Trophäe, Alter? Ich weiß, diese gibt's. Du musst diese Fotze musst du nehmen und ihm ins Gesicht werfen, die Wasserleiche. Wo ist sie? Okay, ich glaube, diese Wasserleichen-Scheiße, die gibt's überhaupt nicht. Die bilde ich mir nur ein oder so. Ich dachte, sie gibt's, aber anscheinend doch nicht. Spiele 200 vollständige Online-Matches. Vollständige Serie. Match, vollständige Krypton. Schwerpunkte, Verteidigung. Ich glaube, die Trophäe gibt's wirklich nicht. Gewinne ein Match durch Zeitablauf. Wenn man noch Ablauf der Zeit, Gesundheit hat. Also, ja, habe ich schon. Ich glaube, diese scheiß Trophäe, die ich immer versuchen möchte, die gibt's gar nicht. Die gibt's gar nicht. Okay, wusste ich doch noch, oder? Aber ich dachte, man muss diese Dame erwischen, damit man irgendwas bekommt. Ja, ich scheiß mir gleich ein, ich bin weg. Scheiß Sauerkraut. Relay. Well, hello again. That's the last time, huh? I should not smoke in the work. That's a good reason. Gamarimasu. Gomenasai. Sorry. I didn't learn something. This game is a piece of shit, definitely. That's when I'll play. That's just coming in. Whatever. Can quit whenever I want. I just want to fulfill the 100% of this game. That's all. No skipping, man. Ci za kampanię szło sobie tylko prosto next game. Time to revenge. Time to fight back. Time out. Don't know how to use the full back stuff, but I have in my... This is so bullshit, man. I don't know how to use the full stuff down below. How? Oh man, this game is just, you know... Better I'm drinking beer, that's better. Cheers up.
Gun is the best defense.
Brave or foolish, I'm alive.
You get thieves somehow. Meine Bühne, du Vollidiot!
Let's see what's
So, was du da tust eigentlich, du Vollpfosten!
So many mines. trapped inside.
We
Healed a lot of death.
bound by Shao Kahn's magic.
It's a mass murder, man.
The voices.
We are many. You are one. Your
Get
abilities
your
fail
emotions
before
off.
us.
Cripple this mother talker.
We have you now.
Sorry. My fingers are too fat. Yeah. Son of a bitch.
I think I've had
Stay
enough
there.
of Outworld.
I'm starting to get why my dad retired.
We have to find D'Vorah. Get the amulet.
Let's go. We won't be out long.
Yeah, let's go.
D'Vorah and the Earthrealmers?
She stole the amulet, then helped them escape.
She betrayed us to the Thunder God.
Who didn't?
You wound me, D'Vorah. Prepare the legions. We go to Earthrealm. We will wrest back the amulet from that devil Raiden.
We're all in one piece. No one seems to be tailing us.
Have you been able to determine where D'Vorah was headed?
We think she's headed for the Sea of Blood.
Damn.
Dad?
She's coming here, to Quan Chi. There's a secret portal near the Sea of Blood. Quan Chi had it built when we were getting ready to invade Outworld.
Great.
Dad, what are you doing? Why are you in the Netherrealm?
But now who's being overprotective?
I know you think you have things to make up for, but
I'm doing this
fucking
for
worried.
Sonya. She's family.
that's why I'm worried.
I'll be fine. You stay safe, you hear?
You stay safe.
With
too.
you, honey?
I love you. Briggs out.
Yeah.
Feeling better?
She's
Or worse?
Not sure. Maybe both.
They'll be fine.
The question is, will I be?
I'll have you,
We have good crossfire position.
my back,
But why is
and
it Quan
you'll
Chi
have
travels by
myself
conventional
and your
means?
back.
He seems unable to fully use his magic. He's weaker than when
Oh
I
my
was
gosh,
in his
I'm missing
service.
her.
Serena's dead on. He doesn't have Shinnok
Why
as
did
a
you
power
skip
source.
all these characters all the times?
I realize you agreed to guide and observe, but you are welcome to assume any role you wish.
Too rusty. Don't want to jeopardize the mission.
He approaches.
Ready to shoot them. What the fuck is going on with you?
Out.
Are you stupid or something to hit something? Oh, Americans. Typical Americans. Time to go. It's time to break.
Go back into hiding.
Hiding. Guess I have been.
No, fuck that. Must. Nigga. Crap up your ass, you son of a fuck! Fucker! Nah, punk.
That knocked some of my rust off.
Fuck, 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 fuck! Oh, come on. Selfish. It's time to investigating you.
Welcome home, Jackson Briggs.
This hell is not my home.
Then why be fool enough to return?
I got a family to protect.
Quan Chi reunited me with my family. He will do the same for you.
No, they don't. She's really pissed off. What the hell? You pissed or something? What's going on with you?
Gotcha!
Hell.
Quan Chi's not helping you.
It is possible to escape Quan Chi, Katana. I can aid you, as Bihan aided me.
You became too familiar with Bihan, allowed emotion to corrupt you.
Emotion freed me.
I don't understand, Katana.
Come on.
I mean, I hate the things I did here.
Let the
But you
kid in the
enjoy
light.
being a revenant.
It suits me. I am a victim no longer.
Yeah, I know what you mean. But this ain't the way to assert yourself. How you like that? Pain is your mama. That's what I'm talking about. Cry uncle.
Buster Rhymes will give us.
Gotcha. Plenty where that came from.
Break your neck, nigga.
I gotta
Break your
believe
neck,
there's hope for
nigga.
you.
Definitely.
Mother of God.
We've lost many. The rest are wounded.
And our friends.
The tide turned against them. They fled.
How you two doing?
I'm fine.
Really? Oh
That's what I
gosh.
thought.
Oh.
Where are you going?
Gonna bag me a sorcerer.
Alone?
You'll be killed.
Wouldn't be the first time.
I'm sorry. Yes. We are doomed. Is still alive. That girl is still alive. Where is she actually in Mortal Kombat 1,
I am
2,
more than capable.
3, 4, and it starts all over this shit.
She is capable. She will bring the amulet to me.
The vampire
I'll
girl.
be waiting for Jackson Briggs. A pleasant surprise.
Nothing pleasant about it.
Time to do
So you return to
stuff.
Raiden? The fools follow fools.
Raiden did his best. He saved Earthrealm.
Nobody cares.
You murdered me.
That isn't true.
Yeah, you do.
You were
Fuck
not
life
there.
as well.
He stole everything from me.
Fuck this shit.
You do not deserve to rejoin us.
Hating your trouble actions. Ah. You piece of shit.
Instead, you will learn there are worse things than death.
You're a cheater. I'm gonna fight you. You in anger or something?
You were an unworthy opponent.
Good.
Instead, you will learn there are worse
Blah blah
things
blah
than
blah
death.
blah. Nobody's talking here.
Think you're bad? You ain't bad. wish I could help you, Liu Kang.
Geh scheißen, Junge.
Jax, there is no need.
Just stop.
You threatened my daughter, you son of a bitch.
It's good to be back. Kenshi, I got him.
Excellent work.
I'm staying here. Devora's on the way. You need to get Quan Chi to Sonya. She'll make him spill his guts.
Sit. I'm guessing it's not your first time in cuffs. What's your safe word?
Advise Secretary Blake that Quan Chi is in custody. We'll be moving him to the Supermax facility at Fort Charles within the hour.
Yes, ma'am.
You two stand guard. Prisoner transfer will be here in 20.
Oh, now she trusts me to babysit.
Cage, report.
We haven't caught up to Devora. We had her tracked to the McKeeva Cliffs, but then her trail went cold.
Damn.
Jackie thinks Devora's unique physiology may allow us to pinpoint her location. She's retooling her smart comm to track Devora's pheromones.
On my command only. Wound. Do not kill.
We're looking at 2 hours?
Sergeant, your team doesn't have 2 hours. We need her found immediately.
Sonya.
What's your voice?
Cassie, I appreciate what you're trying to do, but there isn't time. Bring your team back here. We need to regroup and redeploy.
Yes, ma'am.
They're doing their best.
You're in trouble now.
I know.
And you know
General,
this.
we have a visitor.
You two are friends, right? He tell you he was coming?
Nothing.
General.
Master Hisashi, I hadn't received word you were coming.
I will have Quan Chi.
We have things under control. You can...
He must die.
Oh, I understand,
Raiden
but...
needs him. Without Quan Chi, we can't restore Liu Kang and the other Revenants. You'd leave them trapped? Like
What's
you
the
were?
point?
Only Quan Chi concerns me.
Honey, no. This is not gonna be good.
Don't do this, Hanzo. I'll put you down.
Then we are at an impasse.
Fight!
Quan Chi is mine. This is the end of it. Behold my power. You deserve pain. I grow tired of this. Provoke my rage.
Nobody can anyway.
You deserve pain. I wish you no harm, General Blade.
Don't you understand, Sonia? I don't allow people. This is a war game.
Call off your men, Hanzo.
If you value our friendship, you will give me Quan Chi. Withdraw. Without Sento, you are vulnerable.
Just like old times.
Don't say I never did anything for you.
Somebody's watching. Yeah, blah blah. Nobody cares, man.
My rage!
He's very angry at me, huh? Unbelievable. He's very angry. Shoot.
Just like old times.
end of you. Only Quan Chi's death will abate my anger.
Hanzo, no! You've earned great trust for the Shirai Ryu. Do not squander it murdering a withered sorcerer.
That withered sorcerer is the architect of my suffering.
Okay.
Master Hasashi, I am grateful that you've come.
Speak your mind. I do not wish to linger here.
You re-establish the Shirai Ryu, as I reform the Lin Kuei. We both seek to shed our clan's dark pasts, dedicate them to Earthrealm's protection. Our common purpose gives us a chance to end old rivalries, to start anew.
You'll confess what you've long denied? That your clan's hands are soaked in Shirai Ryu blood? In the blood of my family?
Our honor is indeed stained. Please, sit. After you and I were freed from Quan Chi's control, I sought out my clan. I had hoped rebellion from within would have quashed the Grandmaster's plans. But Sector had realized his father's vision. The Lin Kuei had been fully cyberized. I pledged to kill Sector and his followers, reform the Lin Kuei, and restore our honor.
I am not interested in Lin Kuei politics, Sub-Zero.
When I finally killed Sector, I discovered the Lin Kuei had not sacrificed its honor with the Cyber Initiative. We had abandoned it long before.
There will be no peace, Scorpion!
Frost! The Lin Kuei are still without honor!
What is this?
Master Hasashi, wait!
For what? More treachery? I will have your head!
shit business we doing? It's bullshit.
I grow tired of
Hello, LS-Vidz.
This is the end of it.
The end of yours.
Behold my
Lack conviction.
Our story ends here, Sub-Zero.
No, hold on. It's your brother. Don't.
What is this?
I did not bring you here for treachery.
Even he killed everything
Frost
on
is
you.
strong, but lacks judgment. She cannot see the wisdom of peace. I will deal with her.
Get together, goddammit.
You spoke of the Lin Kuei's lost honor.
For years, I had thought you had unfairly blamed the Lin Kuei for the deaths of your family and clan. But Sector's cyber-preserved memories revealed the truth.
I'm on top of it. Be right back. Grabbing some beer.
The Lin Kuei need to abide their agreements, Sector.
Yeah.
Their master gave Shinnok his word.
Shinnok's currency is lies, as is yours.
Payment is due.
Welcome
I
to
exterminated the
Gogo.
Shirai
Let's
Ryu
exchange your
as
lives.
Hanzo Hasashi lives. He's your specter,
Be
Scorpion.
careful, they change
I
your
created
mind.
Scorpion from Hasashi's soul after he died. We observed the agreement.
The letter, not the spirit. You are owed nothing.
I'm sad of this shit.
Harumi. Satoshi.
Had I known of my clan's complicity in the Shirai Ryu's extinction, our history would be different.
I killed your brother because I thought he...
Quan Chi is responsible for Bihan's death.
Sector was wrong. There is a debt to be paid, and Quan Chi will pay it.
I feel the coldness.
Unbind him.
Well, Quan Chi's dead.
Scorpion. We can... My name is Hanzo Hasashi! killed my wife, my son, and then you burrowed your way into my head, misdirected my vengeance, cost me my one chance to have them restored!
Your family,
Ah! Quiet, sorcerer. Nothing can help you now. Your sorcery won't save you.
You will bow to me. How unfortunate.
I will be free of you! You deserve it.
Your resistance.
Behold my power. At last, you feel my pain.
Scorpion, stop!
Crunchy!
Get over here! Sucker! Fuckers! No, you're not survive. Not this time. Depleted!
Blood for blood. Your debt is paid.
Free us, now!
This one greets Lord Shinnok.
Quan Chi chose his servants well. He was wise to restore me in Earthrealm, behind their defenses.
Quan Chi deceived them, allowed himself to be
This guy is not powering her up, right? Devora is just getting all sad.
Completed. There will be no surprises from you, Mr. Cage. Bring him.
I will kill you, lizard. I will kill you. Part by part.
Praise be to Lord Shinnok.
Crippled yours.
Let us be on our way.
There is an Earthrealm force in Netherrealm.
Like Chinese with America wants to deal with Russian and Europe.
Oh shit.
Hello? Who the hell are you?
Mom! Where's Dad?
Shinnok.
Mom, where'd they go? Mom?
Whoa, no.
Shinnok's prisoner. At the Sky Temple.
Gotcha. Hey, another information. This guy not popping up anymore. Hello, drinking beer guy. I like you because I'm drinking beer as well. You're the keeper, huh?
Raiden, my old friend.
Master Boraicho, I am pleased to see you. It has been many years.
Too long. Yes, too long. We old warriors need to stick together, eh?
Most certainly.
25 years.
I presume recent
is a long
circumstances
time.
precipitate your arrival.
Yes. I'm concerned that Shinnok may return. I've been trying to contact you. I feared the worst.
When Kano misappropriated Shinnok's amulet, he left behind a snare. Disabling it required that I travel to many strange realms. I must retire to the Jinsei chamber, regain my strength.
You are close to recovering it then. Shinnok's amulet?
I do not know. Disabling Kano's snare demanded my full attention. Once I am rejuvenated, I will confer with General Blade.
If only we could have destroyed Shinnok during the last war. If only he were mortal.
The last time we see Bojack. It's on for.
Such beauty, like gazing upon the elder gods themselves.
I hold out hope that we can turn this crisis to our advantage.
How so?
Quan Chi's magic binds the souls of many we hold dear. Capture him, and we can force him to release them.
Liu Kang and Kung Lao restored. I suppose it is possible.
As long as Quan Chi lives. I've long regretted losing our comrades' souls to Netherrealm's evil. Kung Lao and Liu Kang, they were like sons. I would move the heavens to bring them back to the light.
It is as Master Boraicho said. The Shaolin Masters are aboard that ship.
Boraicho said 2 ships.
The other has disembarked. We need to determine its destination.
They will talk. I will see to it.
No extraordinary means, Kung Lao.
They raided the Wuxi Academy, killed Master Wen.
Even with Tarkatans, there are boundaries we do not cross.
Yes, Lord Raiden.
I still cannot believe Shao Kahn would order such a brazen attack.
It demonstrated Earthrealm's vulnerability. Shao Kahn knew we would have no choice but to agree to a new tournament.
Liu Kang defeated Shang Tsung. He will beat Shao Kahn.
In good time, Kung Lao. First we free the Shaolin.
All are aboard? This one leaves with the tide.
We are ready.
Shao Kahn demands the hostages be unharmed.
Their wounds are not fatal.
I would hope, Baraka. For your sake.
For yours as well. If you harm them, you answer to me.
Tarkatans are beaten so easily.
Empty threats, Raiden. You will not see the tournament. You will not see the tournament.
I do not approve. Withdraw, monster! Predestined. You will return to the wastes with no prize. Step aside.
What's wrong here? Such power. What are you, Raiden?
I am of truth and light. I protect Earthrealm.
This one cares not for Earthrealm, and worships no gods.
Der typisch Ehrenstrasser, alles falsch machen. Der macht doch alles falsch. Seine Gang macht doch alles falsch. Das ist unglaublich. Hauptsache arbeiten und alles falsch machen. Ja, bestraft, Junge! Mach das mal richtig! Jetzt straßt das! Maler kann jeder sein!
You will incubate my young.
Ein windiges Unternehmen! Devora, hör auf! Hör auf! Warte, ich hör auf damit!
When a god speaks, heed him.
They were not so vexing. All sneers and growls.
Let us free those aboard this vessel. Then you will find the second ship.
Where will you go, Lord Raiden?
The tournament begins soon. Join me as soon as you are able.
We will succeed, Lord Raiden.
Of that, I am certain.
One year later.
Borracho!
Yet another of your allies falls to me. When he dies, I will claim his soul.
You know not his power. His soul cannot be subjugated.
Shall we kill him, Lord Shinnok?
Not yet. He will bear witness as I conquer his realm. Then I will imprison him as he did me.
I would not boast of victory prematurely.
I have already won, Raiden.
Kind of bullshit. Shit. Suffocating, huh? Belongs, you fools! We belong.
Kung Lao, desist!
I serve Shinnok and the Netherrealm.
Because Shao Kahn murdered you.
Something you allowed to happen. I will not be so passive in your demise.
You fucker.
Your pain was predestined. Deserved a better fate.
Oh God. How the hell?
This is not your destiny, Liu Kang.
More visions, Raiden?
Just
Do you
the
still see the
ages
future?
The
turn
visions are
into
gone,
this.
but I know what should be.
I was put here by your hand.
An accident,
You're
which
too
haunts
young
me
to
to this day.
understand, you asshole. Never grinding up.
You freed me. The elder gods you blindly serve. I will help Shinnok end their rule.
Back away, Padre.